Good morning! Buti na lang pala, medyo nakunan ko kagabi yung room bago pa namin siya guluhin kasi ang gulo na niya ngayon. So, hindi na ako magro-room tour. Ready na kami guys. 7:40 or 7:45 yung call time namin sa The Opera House this morning. Papuntang Halong Bay. And it's now, anong oras na sweetheart? It's now 7:16. Hindi kami magba-breakfast kasi we're going to have a buffet brunch doon mismo sa ating cruise tour. The first time na chinek namin yung layo ng hotel sa The Opera House was actually 500 to 600 meters. Pero ngayon guys, nung chinek ulit namin siya sa mapa, while here, naging 1.6 kilometers siya. So, nagbook na lang kami ng Grab. And the amount na babayaran natin is 28,000 BNB. Good morning. Expander tart.
Expander?
Oo. 97H002. Ito, 97H002.
Anong pangalan?
Van Trong. At nandito na kami sa The Opera House.
Dito nga yun. Ito
Ito yung isa sa mga city tour natin, di ba?
Oh.
So, ito siya guys. And ito yung busy road outside this tourist spot. So, maaga kami ng 15 minutes kasi 7:45 yung call time. Yung pinuha naming Halong Bay tour is meron ng bus transfer to and from. And nakuha natin siya sa halagang more or less 6,000 pesos. Meron na din siyang kasamang buffet. May mga pika-pika yun na pang party, ganyan. May pa-sunset din kasi dun sa Halong Bay.
Ano?
Yung nakalagay. Food is not allowed.
Ano?
Food is not allowed. Wala tayong ganun.
Morning!
Andito na kami sa harbor. Sweetheart. Hintayin lang namin yung tour guide namin and he's getting our tickets daw. Ayan, ang aming... This way, everyone! Sundan na natin si Captain. Ang ganda ng phone natin.
Oh, yan yan. Hercules. Hello.
Five, right? Five, follow me. You guys on the group of five, right? Six people?
And we downstairs with more restaurant. We are on the second of the captain's room. Very important. So please don't open the door. Don't go inside the captain's room. I use all of them. I'll tell you by the sticker and let you know.
And this is our first plate. Fried dumpling to. Fresh spring roll and fried spring roll. Ito naman yung kay Joe.
Parang maling may isda.
Huli.
ko alam kung ano to. Atas ba to?
This is my second plate. Ito yung favorite ko, guys. Ito.
So guys, tapos lang ng tanghalian. Vlog takeover tayo. Ganda ng bato sa likod ko. Nakaka-addicting na, diba?
Dadaong muna daw kami sa T-Top Island, which is this one. Amaze lang ako kasi ang galing lumigo ng barko. So, we'll be staying here for more than 30 minutes. Ayan na siya. Sabi ni Sam, balik daw ng 2:05. Now it's 1:20. So, meron tayong more or less
116.
40 to 45 minutes to roam around here. So, may traffic po paakyat sa T-Top Island. Ano yan? Dire-diretso tar?
Hindi. Kung mag-iskandalo dito,
At?
sasaktan ka.
Dahan-dahan lang. Pabalik na kami sa deck.
Yes,
Grabe.
we made it. Grabe.
Lumuwa yung kaluluwa ko dun. Char.
Gumawa ba?
Luwa ang dila. Mas matindi pa yung 50 pataas ang edad. Mas mabilis pa sa akin. Pupikit. Grabe ang pahingalan ng buhay. Pabalik na tayo sa Hercules.
We're back.
Everyone for coming back on time. So, this only one day will help with all the small boats.
Leaving na kami na. Nasaan si ano?
Ayun, no?
Okay, the line is moving na. Let's go to the cave.